What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Gucci. Get it going, y'all. What's good? What's good? It's early in the morning, Saturday morning. Today I got something a little different for y'all, man. Pretty much my boys, man. We don't just do the car stuff, about that bike life too. So they hit me up. They like, man, Gooch, we're going riding tomorrow. You got to get you a bike. So all day yesterday I was running around. I actually didn't get a chance to actually pick the camera up because I was too busy trying to check these bikes out and make sure that I got the right one. Drove super far yesterday. Ended up checking out some raggedy four-wheeler. But with that being said, y'all, boom, this is how we coming, man. Big 450 gang, you know what I'm saying? I know everybody be rocking with the Raptors and the Banshees, but like I said, I done talked to all my people and everybody that I know. They told me this is the bike to get, you know what I'm saying? If you do the bike life stuff and you ride bikes, man, tell me, did I make a bad decision? I mean, I know I didn't, because y'all see she nasty. Super nasty. Got a chance to ride her yesterday. Actually, I got the seat off because I just had to put a new battery in there, so I just dropped it. I bought a new battery. I dropped it off to O'Reilly's so I can get all the battery charge, because you got to put them on a charger. Once you buy a new battery, it doesn't just jump in there. And I didn't want to go out there riding the day and my bike cutting off on me and stuff like that. And then I'm gonna go shoot to the bike shop, give me some riding gear, because like I said, when you out there, safety is everything. I got to get me a helmet, some gloves, a jersey, and probably a set of boots. I think I got boots at the crib. I'm not sure. I might have to run back to my crib and check, but if not, I'll just get some new boots. I ain't really tripping on grabbing that. You know what I'm saying? I got the new bike. I want to be drip, you know what I'm saying? So I'm about to cut this off real quick. I'm gonna go shoot to the Rich's Yamaha. As soon as I get over there to Rich's Yamaha, I'm gonna turn the camera back on so y'all can see what's going on. And then as soon as we go to Rich's Yamaha, I'm gonna shoot back here, get the battery, put that fresh battery in there, and then we hitting the road. It's about an hour drive. So like I said, y'all tap in. I just want to get y'all something different, you know, because like I said, I'm having fun, man. It don't matter what it is. And then I also got the bullies too, man. I ain't been putting the bullies on the channel. Make sure y'all follow our Frenchie page at 630 Frenchies. We got that going right now. And then we got the 630 Bullies page going right now too. So make sure y'all tap in with that. I just want to start bringing y'all wider broadband on the stuff that I deal with, because like I said, I know sometimes y'all get tired of looking at the cars, so I want to bring y'all something different. So I'm gonna definitely start bringing y'all the bike life stuff to the channel and the bullies, you know what I'm saying? Because I know everybody been out here breeding the bullies and stuff like that, and I know y'all definitely gonna be interested and get y'all game on that as well, y'all. So let me go and jump back in this look, man. I'm finna go shoot to this spot and get these stuff. What it do, y'all, man? I done caught me a damn flat. Same shit that happens with the cars. Same bullshit. But we up here, man. Y'all see y'all here on this badass Banshee. This motherfucker nasty. Got the carbon on there. They out here riding. They got the Banshee out here. Jixer's out here. Raptor. Y'all see what's going on, man? I'm about to link with the gang. Get on that one shit with them. Oh yeah. They got these bikes out here. They got all the nasty shit. What up? Yeah, they fixing it. They out here. So I'm about to go fill my tires up. See, you got that 2020 Raptor over there. Okay. Yeah, you got it. See, you got that 2020 Raptor. Let's do it. All right, they in the rush, man. I've been running late, so we're about to get this shit going. And fuck it. Huh?
DSI. Oh, he's supposed to have five.
How many?
Leave it like that, it gets start thinking there.
Yeah.
Leave it like that, bro.
Just in case it leaks. Adjust it. I ain't touch nothing. I literally got the bike
I'm
yesterday.
gonna adjust it now.
Cause the idle, like soon as you put it in gear, it's trying to take off. It's super lit out here. I'm definitely gonna try to get some footage of the ride. Just going over the bush rough with it. Like I said, I just got the bike yesterday. It's an older bike. Ain't a little idle. But we probably gonna get up out of here before the police come. I'm about to jump on this bike, y'all. Put my phone back in the bag, cause I ain't trying to get pulled over at all. You know what I'm saying? I can't get caught. You know what I'm saying? The police come, we running. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit. Nice with it. Nice with it. Look at it.
I sure if I do it's gonna be with y'all.
Yeah. Nice out here. Over here at the little taco stand. Getting to it. Aurora bike ride on y'all. Bunch of bikes. A little bit of everything. Just that bench from earlier. ATM. Raptors. What they got going on. About to fuck yourself up.
I told you.
Tweaking. Look, swinging that bitch. Woo! It's a Mustang, It's getting lit out here, man. They out here acting. Hey, shooting like a motherfucker.
Hey, that was busted, bro.
Hey, them rocks feel like bullets.
Hey, motherfucker, got the fuck out of there.
Man, he threw rocks all over the people that was on the car. They had to get up off that damn. Got right up there. Church almost took out the stop sign and some more shit. What? I seen that motherfucker coming. I'm just a Mustang. Let me move. Evacuate. What?
That's why I don't drink wine.
What? Let him take that stop sign. Viral. up. That's gonna be the thumbnail. Nah, luckily he knew what he was doing.
Tore up.
What? The whole lick, running up on him and everything. You good? Nah, but this street's a little bit big a day, man. He was better off doing it right there. And just turned it up, went crazy one time. Person jumped on every bike here, still can't get that bitch up there. No, he gotta give him more throttle, but if he start giving him more throttle, he gonna fuck himself up. Cause you can even tell, like, his posture as it's finna come up, he'll be scared of it. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Man, fuck that rear brake. I'm scared. See? Oh, whoa, whoa. I would move if I was you.